In today's era of rapid digital transformation, developing and maintaining an app is not an easy task. It's a race against time, balancing speed and exceptional quality to provide a flawless digital experience for customers across channels. Businesses face a multitude of formidable challenges ensuring apps' seamless functionality across diverse devices and browsers, testing user journeys across multiple platforms, tackling the complexities of code-heavy automation, and overcoming the persistent issue of test script flakiness and maintenance. And in this era of cloud technology, managing a plethora of siloed SaaS tools for different testing activities becomes both costly and overwhelming. Imagine a solution to seamlessly navigate the complex maze of app testing tools and fragmented data. Introducing Pcloudy, the unified app testing platform that revolutionizes your testing process for web, mobile, desktop apps and APIs. Embrace a cohesive, integrated testing experience, where every phase of your testing lifecycle, from creation to execution to management, is unified in one intuitive interface. Welcome to Pcloudy's Automate solution. Automate your testing process to save time and effort. With Pcloudy, you can create, modify, and execute test cases with few clicks. First up, head over to the Automate section and click on Test. You'll find the option to create automated test. Fill in the details and click on Create. To create your test case using Record and Playback feature, click Record. Let's start with testing a login page of a website. Put your website URL below and choose Web Recorder. Now all you need to do is perform your usual actions such as entering your username and password, then clicking the Sign In button on left-hand side. You will see your steps are getting created. Once you finish the recording, click on Save and that's it. The recorder automatically turns your actions into an automated test case. This means you can test the login process of your app quickly and without any hassle. No more manual, time-consuming test case creation. The same applies to the mobile recorder. It captures your actions on a mobile interface just as effectively. To execute these test cases, you can execute either on Pcloudy, browser cloud or your local machine, and for mobile you can execute on our real devices, hosted on Pcloudy Device Lab or on your local devices. You can run your test cases in bulk from Test Suite. You can schedule and run multiple test cases with the Scheduler and Test Suite features. You can also easily feed data sets to your test cases with data sheets. This data storage and management feature lets you iterate your test cases for different test scenarios. You can also do your API testing from here as Pcloudy supports both SOAP and REST web services. Once you log into the platform, you'll be able to access some free devices, browsers and a free automation run on the trial page. Simply connect to any one of the available mobile devices. Once your device is connected, you can quickly install an app by uploading it from your local system. Simply click Install, upload the app, and voila! You're all set to perform your first task. Now you can use various actions by clicking on the All Actions pane and perform different tasks on the device. You can even go through the logs, take screenshots, monitor performance metrics on the go, and much more. And once you finish testing, simply release the device. Upon release, a comprehensive report is automatically generated which you can view by clicking on the View Reports button. Great! Now let's try our hand at web testing. Let's go to the trial page and connect to one of the browsers. We'll explore the Pcloudy website on this browser to ensure its visual integrity. We can click on the quick actions to perform different actions like taking screenshots, enabling local testing and changing the screen resolutions. Changing screen resolution helps us check if our website is compatible across screen resolutions. As our testing is complete, we can now release the browser for the system to generate a report that we can view later. QLM, a unified solution designed to meet the needs of industries worldwide. Offering a comprehensive solution for managing software projects, it combines project management, issue tracking and testing into a single platform. To access QLM, log into Pcloudy, our unified platform for app testing. Go to Manage Tests under Release. Project managers get a bird's-eye view of their app releases. They can effortlessly view, create and manage various aspects such as releases, user stories, tests, test suites, tickets, and test runs. You can add milestones to track your project goals and change their status, update plan dates, or select a different application associated with each milestone. Under User Story, you can document the details of your project requirements and assign tasks to stakeholders. To keep track of those task statuses, switch to the Kanban view and move tasks across different stages. With QLM, you can collaborate on test cases, create manual and automated test cases, and execute them individually or in bulk. You can also log bugs and issues through tickets. Stakeholders can use dynamic filters under the MySpace section to refine searches. For instance, testers can check the number of bugs logged for the current milestone by selecting tickets and the given milestone. They can save these as custom filters and update them as tasks progress. Use the notifications icon to stay informed and up to date with the assigned tasks, latest tickets and status changes. Project managers can monitor progress and generate comprehensive reports, ensuring transparency among developers, testers, and stakeholders involved in the software lifecycle.